Hello everybody, I'm happy and honored and proud to present you the translation of my book into English, Greenwood Carving. It's a book about, of course, carving in greenwood, unseasoned wood with sharp tools like axe, knife and spoon knife. I start off with a main chapter on wood and wood anatomy, and then later on how to use the three main tools. Then we go into making different projects, like carving things out of branches, like coat hooks. Of course, a chapter on spoon carving, making beautiful shrimp pots or cozy kuksas. Then there's chapters on decorating your objects, and of course how to keep those tools very sharp. And at the end, I finish off with why carving is good for us, as we all know. So I really hope you enjoy reading this book. Please let me know what you think of it. Thank you. Bye-bye.